Good morning, children. Welcome to the online classes. Yesterday we completed theorem 10.1. So continue this session, theorem 10.2. So theorem 1 says that the chords are equal, subtended angle by the chord at the center also equal. That is the theorem 10.1. So here this is the 10.2 theorem. So here 10.2 theorem says that if the angles subtended by the chords of a circle at the center are equal, then the chords are equal. So here subtended angles at the center are equal. Subtended angles are equal. So then we have to show that chords also equal. So first we draw the figure. This is the circle. O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. So this is the one chord. That is AB. This is another chord, CD. So here subtended angles are equal. Subtended angles of chord AB at the center is under angle AOB, and on the side also angle COD. This is given. These two angles are equal. These two angles are equal. So here come to the first to observe the statement. Here subtended angles are equal. So here subtended angles are equal. This is the equal. We need to prove the chords also equal. We need to prove chords also equal. First given. So what is the given here? What is given? So O is the center of circle. O is the center of circle. O is the center of circle, and also angles are equal. Subtended angles at the center are equal. That is angle AOB equal to angle COD. This is the given. Angle AOB equal to angle COD. This is also given. So here this is the given. To prove AB equal to CD. To prove the chords are equal. To prove chords are equal. So here what are the chords here? To prove AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD. We need to prove AB equal to CD. So come to the proof. So in triangle, take these two triangles, AOB and COD. So take these two triangles. In triangle AOB and triangle COD. These two triangles here, AO equal to OC. You can take this also. AO equal to OD because of OA. AO is the radius, CO is the radius, OD is the radius of circle. So here OB also a radius of a circle. You can take any one. There is no problem. So here AO equal to CO. AO equal to CO and BO equal to DO VO equal to DO. So here what is the region here? Radii in circle, radii in circle. This also same, radii in circle. So these two are radius. This is the radius, this is also radius. So here AO equal to CO, BO equal to DO. So one more also given, angle AOB equal to angle COD. So this is given. This is given. So angle AOB equal to angle COD. This is given. So therefore triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. Triangle COD. So how can you say that these two are congruent? So here AO equal to CO, BO equal to DO, and AO equal to angle COD. Angle AO equal to angle COD. And AO equal to, so here I am missing join OA, OB, OC and OD. Join so here AO equal to CO, BO equal to DO, AO equal to COD. So here this is the side, angle, side, angle, side. So this is the here side, angle, side, angle here, side, angle, side, angle, side. So here this criteria, these two are congruent. So when these two triangles are congruent, these two triangles corresponding sides also equal. What are the corresponding sides here? AO, CO, OB, OD. Another side AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD. So here, so AB equal to CD. So what is the region? CP, CP. So corresponding parts of congruent triangle. So here, what is the last chords are equal. So AB equal to CD. So here, this is the proof of theorem 10.2. This is the proof of theorem 10.2. Okay, exercise 10.2. First one, recall that two circles are congruent if they have same radii. Prove that equal chords of congruent circles subtended equal angles at their center. Equal angles at their center. So here, once again, recall that two circles are congruent if they have same radii. Prove that equal chords of a congruent circles subtended equal angles at their center. At their center. Subtended angles are equal in this problem. So here come to the here. This is the circle, first circle. This is the second circle. So here they asked congruent circles. Two radius, these two circles radius is same. These two circles radius is same. Then we can say that these two circles are congruent. Congruent circles means two circles are equal radius. So here this is the circle C. This is the C dash. This is the center O. This is the O dash. So here, given that chords are equal, so this is chord is AB, this chord is CD, this chord is CD. So here given that the chords are equal. So come to the solution. First given C commas C dash are two congruent circles with center O and O dash. So here C comma C dash are two congruent circles. Two congruent circles. So here two congruent circles. So this is the center O C circle. Center O and C dash circle. Center O dash. Center O dash. This is the given. This is the given. To prove, so here now join OA, OB, O dash C and O dash D. So here join now join here OA, OB, O dash C, O dash D. So here to prove angle AOB equal to angle COD. Angle AOB equal to angle COD. Angle AOB equal to angle COD. So to prove here these two. So proof. So here join OA, OB, OC, O dash C and O dash D. O dash D. So here now we are joining here. So this is the subtended angle at the center of chord AB. This is the angle, subtended angle of at the center O dash to the chord CD. So here this angle, you need to find this angle. To prove that these two angles are equal. To prove that these two angles are equal. So here proof. Now take in triangle AOB and triangle COD. In triangle AOB and triangle COD. So here AO equal to CO dash and BO equal to DO dash and also here given here AB equal to and AB equal to CD also given. AB equal to C chords are equal. AB equal to CD. So AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD. So here side. So according to here, AO equal to CO dash, BO equal to O dash, and AB equal to CD. AO equal to CO dash, OB equal to O dash D, AB equal to CD. Side criteria. So triangle AOB is congruent to triangle CO dash D. So this criteria side criteria. So here radii of congruent circles. Congruent circles is 2. Radii of congruent circles. This is the given So here, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD as D by the side criteria. These two are congruent. When these two triangles are congruent, triangle AOB is equal to triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. So here, angle AOB equal to angle CO as B. That is the CP. So here these two triangles are congruent. Their corresponding sides are equal. Corresponding angles also equal. So angle AOB equal to angle COD. This is the solution of exercise 10.1 first problem. Second one, prove that if the chords of congruent circles subtended equal angles at the center, then the chords are equal. Here subtended angles are equal at the center is given. We need to prove their chords also equal. So these two are congruent triangles. C and C dash are the congruent triangles. So this is given. These two are congruent triangles. Congruent triangles means two circles having equal radius. They given here subtended angles are equal at the center. So here given. So here C comma the centers of C is O, center of C dash is O dash, and also given here subtended angles are equal and AOB equal to angle CO dash D. So here angle AOB equal to angle CO dash D. This is the given. So we need to prove that AB equal to CD. We need to prove. So their chords are equal. So come to the proof. Here join OA, OB, O dash C and O dash D. Proof. In triangle AOB and triangle CO dash D. Take these two triangles. So here OA equal to O dash C, OB equal to O dash D. So here OA equal to O dash C. Otherwise you can write anyway. Write an alphabet. AO equal to CO dash, BO equal to DO dash, and also we are given that angle AOB equal to angle CO dash D. So here angle AOB equal to angle CO dash D. So this is the side. This is the side angle. So here, therefore, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle CO dash D, which is the side criteria. Side criteria. These two triangles are congruent. So here, radii of congruent triangles. Radii for congruent circles. This is the given. So here this is this is given. So these two triangles are congruent. These two triangles are congruent. Their corresponding angles are equal. Their corresponding sides are also equal. AO equal to CO dash, BO equal to DO dash. The remaining side is AB. What is that? AB equal to CB. So this is the solution of theorem. This is the solution of problem number 2 in exercise 10.2. So here you see that. So this is hence proved. Hence proved. Okay, children. Do you have any doubt? Make a call to me. I will available after 3 o'clock. So come to the online session. Thank you, children. If you come to the online live interaction, you have any doubt, ask me. You have any doubt, ask me. So you must be watch the complete video. Okay. Thank you, children. We will meet the next session. Thank you.